FlatLOK is a 1/2-inch lag replacement and specifically engineered for LVLs and girder trusses. It has a Teflon coating which reduces friction, enables the screw to drive fast, and the aggressive thread pattern is going to enable for fast installation as well too. You can go up to a 4-ply LVL using the 6 3/4 FlatLOK. And features our TORX TTAP number 40, which has an extra button on the end of the bit, just reducing wobbling and reducing stripping out when you're driving the screw. The screw itself is going to hold on nice and tight, acting as a third hand right onto the end of the bit. Again, the aggressive thread padding is going to allow the screw to drive fast and efficient. And the flat head leaves you with a clean, flush look. So if you're going over with drywall or anything else, fascia, it's not going to get in the way.